In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can claim Clash Royale QR codes to get free rewards. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Clash Royale will occasionally release, QR codes that give players a bunch of free rewards such as in-game items or other bonuses, and the process to claim them is very simple. Essentially, what you need to do is back out of Clash Royale itself because you can't scan them within Clash Royale, and once you're on your home screen right here, you need to go ahead and open up like your camera app, no matter really which device it is. I'm just going to use the base camera app, but essentially open that up and then find the QR code. Now, whether it's on another screen like mine is right now, you simply just need to find it and then of course scan it and it'll redirect you to Clash Royale again. And if that reward is obviously still available, you'd simply go ahead and hit claim. And it looks like this one was. We got an emote just like so. And you can repeat this process for any other active QR codes that you find to claim additional rewards. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can claim Clash Royale QR code rewards. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.